Hello guys, hope all you are doing well. In this video, I will teach you how to create a virtual device AVD in Android Studio. Android virtual device let you to test your Android application without having the physical device. And testing our application in virtual device is fast and easy. So let's learn how to create virtual device in Android Studio. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel by clicking on this subscribe button and click on this notification icon to get notification about the latest video. I upload video related to Android development, coding, etc. Okay, open Android Studio. Create a new project. Going on new project. Choose empty activity. Give it name and click on finish. I have already created one project. This will lead to this dashboard. Then to create virtual device, we need to go to AVD Manager. Let's open AVD Manager. Go to Tools. Here it's AVD Manager. Click here, or you'll find this icon also here in left side. Click on AVD Manager. Here I have already created this Android virtual device. Okay, let's learn how to create an Android virtual device in Android Studio. Okay, from this dashboard, let's click on create virtual device. Here we have different options to create virtual device. We have TV, we have phone, we have Wear OS. This is for watch. Where we can create virtual device for tablet also. We can create virtual device for automotive also. Now we are going to create a virtual device for phone. Okay, let's click on phone. Here we can see a list of available device. Here latest device is Pixel XL, but this phone does not have Play Store. We are going to choose a phone that will have Play Store. Here we have Pixel 4. This app Play Store also. Okay, let's choose this and click on next. Then here we need to choose an Android version. Latest Android version available is Android R or Android 11. We have other image also. We have here Android 12 preview. This is also for now we are going to create a virtual device for Android 11. So to create virtual device for Android 11, you need to download this system image. Let's click on download. It is large file which is 1.1 GB. Let's download this and I'll come back. Okay, the system image has been downloaded successfully. Let's click on finish and let's choose this Android R we have downloaded. It's refreshing. Then click on next. Then give it name as Android Pixel 4 API 30 or Android 11. You can give name as yourself. As your choice, or here you can change some setting also. Startup orientation, emulated performance, I will keep this setting as default. Then let's click on finish. We have successfully created our Android virtual device in Android Studio. Let's run this and test this virtual device. Click on this play like button to run. Okay, our Android virtual device is starting. Here it is. Let's click on this icon to power on. Okay, our Android virtual device has become ready. Now you can test your application. Click on this run button and choose newly created virtual device which is Pixel 4 API 30 Android 11. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, please click on the like button. If you have any query, please comment down below, and please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day.